Good morning. Today I have to relocate hotels, sneak in a workout because it's Thursday, and let's get to packing. Ta-da!
So this is Matt Kai.
Matt, how's it going, man?
You may recognize him.
How you doing, man?
Doing great, sir. How are you?
Yeah.
It was really nice meeting you as well. Team over at Bonfire got me hooked up with the gym. Let's go check it out, huh? I've been in some pretty over-the-top gyms in my time. This one's got to be top 3. Who has wine after a workout? Who does that? If you do that, I'm sorry, I'm not judging. No, I'm judging. What?
And Laurel was also down over there. You see it in the brick building.
We've been driving around San Fran trying to find a place to shoot this next scene. Good location. God,
Before into Harlem.
We are currently heading back to the location we were trying to fly the drone in yesterday. Didn't work out. Seagulls were dive bombing it, pooping on it. Shoot. It is a freaking wrap. I'm so excited to be done with filming. We have to get back to audio tomorrow.
Oh yeah, lift and over.
Yeah. I think I might have just found an open mic or poetry or something.
Drive, can you help me? Looking for a jacket that will resist the water if you did a couple drops. Is that available?
That was awesome. I don't know what else we'll come across on this walk home. By home, of course, I mean hotel, but when you're a flight attendant, there is no difference. Dinner tonight, because I waited too long to eat food.
Thanks, Walgreens.